How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. Mo here. In today's video, it's going to be something different. I'm going to be going over Bitcoin, okay, the main driver of all the cryptocurrencies. Recently I've been getting like a lot of interest and questions in regards to where I believe crypto and Bitcoin in specific is going to go next. So yeah, I thought I'd hop on, give you guys my opinion where I believe it will go, the areas that I would be looking to buy, etc, and potentially my targets for the year. Okay, so this is a bit of a different video. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys like these crypto videos. If so, I will definitely be looking into making more videos in regards to crypto, etc. So just let me know in the comments down below, and yeah, I'll make sure I deliver. So Bitcoin, first and foremost, I'm not really going to bore you guys with the basics. Everyone kind of understands that. Okay, I'm not going to bore you with the market structure of the past year, so and so. Okay, things are very clear here for us. Okay, if I was to go over it really quickly, we can see that we had this low, we created a new high, we pulled back, we failed to break this low, okay, and we made a new high. Okay, but this high, okay, failed to break a good bit above this this wick right here. Okay, so it barely just body closed over, and we ended up coming down, breaking structure, and we reacted from this area right here. Okay, so once we break down this area in a bit more detail, what we can see is we've had this demand right here. Okay, so we can see this institutional candle, and this is actually something that I kind of went over on one of the Sunday live sessions. Okay, one of the Sunday forecast sessions, and this was something that I was looking at. Okay, this demand right here, the weekly demand, this is an area that a lot of people were looking to buy from. Okay, a lot of people were looking to buy from, whether they were looking at it from a S&D perspective, or even just the fact that there's a good amount of support right here. Okay, a lot of people were looking to buy from here. For me, even though it is causing that reaction for me was 100% expected. Okay, what I was personally looking for is a push up to this continuation and a drop down, which we did not get. So what we are seeing right here is price retracing up into our supply right here. Okay, potentially retracing up into here, and then potentially that push down. Okay, so why do I believe that this demand won't hold? Well, for the simple fact is, when it comes to crypto in general, okay, I don't usually tend to trade this, so you'll never really see me on the 1 hour time frame, trying to scalp this, day trade this, etc. For me, this is more of a buy and hold type thing. So I would just buy and hold. I'd buy at the best levels, so I have positions pretty much here. Okay, so I bought here, I bought down, I believe, here. Okay, and I have positions down around the 16k level, somewhere around here. Okay, so I have positions around here as well. Yes, I mean, I'm not one of those early buyers that were buying down into here. Okay, but you can see that I was able to catch the majority of the massive uptrend that we've had over here. Okay, so that is one of the good things right here, that even though we're like, I don't know, 40% down, okay, so far on Bitcoin. Okay, I'm still nearly at break even at the moment. Sorry, I'm still in profit. Okay, my break even is still much down here, so it doesn't really bother me at this point. So going back to the main point, my approach with it is very simple. I like to take a look at things from a psychological perspective. Okay, as you understand, the crypto market has a huge influx of just beginners, new people. The average Joe is just hopping into the market. They have no clue whatsoever what's going on. So the market is simply driven by fear and greed. Okay, and once it's up here, okay, in the premium pricing, the market is driven by greed. More people are adding on their positions. So you can only imagine, okay, after we have had this move down, okay, this move down right here, imagine the fear that was here. But straight away after we had this move up, people were happy. Okay, and people recognize that recoveries can happen. So this was one move here that gave them confidence. People recognize that even though we did take a huge melt these 2 months, these 2 weeks right here, okay, we were able to recover this market. So a lot of people started loading up here in anticipation of another high being created. Okay, and even here, as we pulled back, a lot of people were still loading up, because now people are a tiny bit more educated on it, and they believe that, okay, these are simply just pullbacks. We've seen this multiple times. We're still going to be very bullish on this, and they try buy here, consolidates a small bit, and it drops. they try buy a small bit here. Okay, there's previous resistance and support. It consolidates a small bit. Okay, it gives them a tiny bit of hope and then drops. Okay, think about the psychological effect that that's having on people. We eventually have this level right here. This is a huge level that a lot of people are looking at. Okay, we have obviously this demand, then we have this support down here. Okay, we have the support down here. Literally go anywhere, look at it from any retail perspective. What is everyone looking at? This 30k level right here. Also think of 30k, it's a psychological level. Okay, if we take a look at it from a quarter steer perspective, that's a psychological level that people are anticipating. So now imagine that all the people that have bought here, okay, they expect, okay, this is the pullback to be finished. Let's all buy here. And everyone starts buying and they're in profit and it's going well. And imagine we have one more push down. So now you can see after we get that one more push down, okay, fear is going to be at a maximum. Okay, a lot of people are going to be in fear mode. Once we drop down below that 30k level, which we haven't seen before in nearly, I mean, yeah, we haven't seen that 30k level at all in the past year or so. Okay, so the lowest of 2021 was nearly just 29k. So once we drop below that, okay, fear is going to really brew. A lot of people are going to look to exit their positions, and that's where the manipulation occurs. If we take a look at this level right here, we see a lot of wicks. Okay, what can we expect to be under those wicks? We can expect there to be liquidity pools. Okay, so a lot of money sitting there. How's their money sitting there? Because we expect that there's going to be a lot of stop loss orders, okay, sitting below these equal lows. Okay, so what we would like to see is a manipulation of these lows. So basically what we expect here is people have their stop losses here because they believe if price comes down any lower, okay, then these wicks, then we're in a full-blown bear market. We're just going to see an absolute meltdown, you know, to the 10k level. Once we start seeing, you know, the next kind of support right here, okay, so most stop losses are going to be sitting below here. So as I said, as you guys can see, the way I'm approaching this is really from a psychological based perspective. So what I'm looking to see is one more push down. I won't be loading up anywhere soon. Okay, I want to see one more push down, clear that liquidity. Once we see that clearance of liquidity, okay, everyone being stopped out, okay, the more educated and the large operators will be able to take pricing higher. What do I expect price to be by the end of the year? I do think that we will hit that 100k level very easily. Okay, so by 2022, this is my goal. We'll come back by the end of this year. Let's hope that I'm not wrong. We'll come back by the end of this year and we'll see where we hit. But yeah, I also want to know you guys' opinions as well. So make sure to drop down where you think Bitcoin is going to hit in 2022. And maybe whoever is the most accurate, I'll give them something nice. We'll have a nice giver or whatever it is, nice price for whoever is the most accurate by the end of the year. So make sure to drop down your predictions down below. Okay. So as I was saying, I'm not going to be loading up anytime soon. Okay, I know like you can dollar cost average this, etc, etc. I won't be looking to load up anytime soon. Once we take these lows, okay, and we fill in this potential this imbalance, okay, then I will look to buy and I will look to add positions at around the 25k level. Okay, that's not to say that 100% that is what's going to happen. Anything can happen. Okay, this could simply just go whoosh, and it could just continue flying up. Okay, but my perspective is I'm not going to be looking to add at this level yet. So what I'm showing you is this is the pricing, okay, where I would look to add onto my positions. For now though, I'm not looking to add onto any more positions. I'm already in enough positions at the moment, and this is where I'm happy. I'm happy with price going anywhere. Doesn't really matter for me. Okay, but basically this is my prediction for Bitcoin. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Something that's, you know, very simple. We took a look at a different aspect, we took a look at a different security, crypto for once. So let me know if you guys do enjoy these type of videos, and I'll definitely make sure to produce more content like this out in the future. With that being said, I appreciate every single one of you guys for hopping on, watching this video through to the end. Make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and yeah, check us out at fuacademy.io for more information about our training programs. Have a good day, guys. Thank you.